Hello, and welcome to another edition of Office Systems Tech Tips.
Today we're looking at the Ricoh P800 printer. We're going to learn how to see what the IP address is and also change the IP address on the Ricoh P800 model. Starting from the home screen, choose Menu and use the arrow buttons here to scroll down to Host Interface and click OK. Scroll down again to Network and click OK. The first option there is the machine IPv4 address. Click OK there. If you want to see what it is, you hit IP address here and it'll show you what the current IP address is. If you'd like to change that, you hit the down arrow here to say specify and then OK. And then go back in one more time, choose IP address, and here's where you can change it. Use your up and down arrow keys to change the number. And once you have the one that you want, you hit the right arrow key to go to the next octet, change it to whatever number you need. Once you have the complete number in, choose OK, and then very important, hit OK again where it says program there at the top. Then it'll show you what it is. To get out, hit escape, 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 setting change, and you're back at the home screen.
Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to see more tech tips, please visit our YouTube channel or visit us at officesystemstx.com.